Origin Acoustics, an amazing brand and a great partner. We don't give them as much exposure as we should. We've done some projects, but that's why we're making it up today. Jim, please. Thank you, brother. Thank you for joining me. Let's talk about it. These are great speakers. They look amazing.
Thank you. These are our director speakers, and we have a unique mounting system that allows us to pull and change speakers out if we want to change models or upgrade or downgrade speakers, or if the customer isn't happy with the way they sound, we can tweak the model and get that in and see this change.
Man, they all look good. Where does the design come from? Who comes up with all this design ideas?
One of our designers is a car enthusiast, so some of these look like wheels off a high-end sports car.
I like it. I like it. Man, I hear something banging over there. What's that over there?
That's our ambisonic lineup of speakers. We can go check it out.
Let's check it out. Tell us about what you got going on here.
So out here we have a complete line of outdoor solutions for people. Whether you want to have background music to chill out by the fire pit, or if you want to have the rockin' party that your neighbors call the police on you, we can address all of those issues. And I don't mean to scare you when I say about having the cops come out, but it can play like there's a concert going on in your backyard. And we can help you design and set up a system that includes the amplifiers and all the gear you need to make that happen.
Man, that sounds great. You can see there's a big crowd over here standing. We were standing in earlier and got blasted by the audio. There is one more thing that I wanted to show. We got some sheetrock walker over here. This is a big drop for CEDIA for Origin Acoustics. Tell me a little bit about these over here.
This is a new speaker, Invincible, that we've developed that allows the speaker to disappear into the drywall so you don't see any grills or anything. It has a big back box, so it makes mounting and installation easy for these guys when they install the speakers for you. But at the end of the day, it looks like a piece of drywall. The drywall muds up and covers the top of the speaker, so it totally disappears, while still giving great audio, great sound.
Man, that was good. Origin Acoustics. Jim, I appreciate you, brother. I'm sure people enjoyed it. Oh, you did amazing. That's all we needed right there.